Hello. If you're having trouble with activating your voice in Roblox, these are some of the things that you can do to try to fix that. First of all, you want to check here. I'm on the official Roblox Creator Hub, and it says that voice chat is enabled to 13 plus members with phone number verified, but it's just in these countries here. So if you're not from this country, you're gonna have to do ID verifications. And for me, I had to do an ID verification. To do an ID verification, you need to go to More, and then you go to Settings, and then Privacy. And then here in the Privacy, you're gonna see, give me a second, there's Use Microphone to Chat with Voice. And this won't be here if you haven't verified your ID. So go to account info, and here you can see my birthday, and it says age verified. This was not here, and I could choose a birthday. After you choose your birthday, you can't change it. Like, you have to either contact support, but it's very hard to change it after. So you have to just give a correct birthday and then verify with ID by taking a photo of some sort of verification. That might be your main issue. If not, then you just need to go to privacy, and like I said, use microphone to chat with others, and make sure that communication is turned on. So who can message me, either friends or everyone, you can choose what kind of restriction you want to apply on that. That's about it.